Security forces have recovered various weapons and ammunition, including a long-range rocket with 40 kilograms of explosive during search operations that were conducted in parts of Kangpokpi and Churachandpur districts yesterday. In one of the search operations, security forces recovered a long-range rocket with approximately 40 kilograms of explosive, one rocket launching stand, battery piece, and 5 sandbags from Gelmol village under Churachandpur district. On the other hand, security forces also recovered 1 CMG carbine along with magazine, 1.303, 2 pistols along with a magazine each, 9 country-made bolt-action single barrels, 1 country-made SBBL, 46 live rounds ammunition of different calibers, 80 empty cases, 1 local-made grenade, 1 safety fuse, 1 detonator, 3 pieces of PEK, 4 pumps, 1 pumpy stand, 2 Baofeng handsets, 1 pair of jungle boots and 1 magazine pouch from general area of Gelbung Jungle under Cycle Police Station in Kangpokpi district. Meanwhile, security forces also recovered guns and ammunition during search operation conducted at general area of Sonlung village under Kangchu Police Station in Kangpokpi district yesterday. Security forces recovered 1 Heckler & Koch G3 with magazine, 2 bolt-action rifles, 4 pull mechanism rifles, 1 improvised mortar, 2 number 36 hand grenades, arming rings and detonators, 2 G3 live rounds, and 1 handheld radio set.